Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're going to be using a dip bar. So we're going to do dips and we're going to incorporate a little bit of abs with it. We're going to use the TRX here. So if you've never used the TRX, it's two straps. It has a adjust here as far as pulling this to make it shorter or longer. I'm going to do a more advanced version with a back row. You can do a moderate version with back row, moderate version here. Just putting your legs out. Full extension with the arms coming up and give it a squeeze. I'm going to be doing more advanced. I'm going to put my feet here and then just come up and give it a squeeze all the way back down. Come up to our dips. I've got this pretty high so I can actually do a dip and do a leg raise. I've got it set on a 9. So with it, I'm just going to jump up in the air in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down for a dip right at 90 degrees, and then I'm going to come up. So then I'm going to bring my knees in, out, down, then here, up, here, down. So I can get a little bit of a crunch along with the abs, the dips, and so forth for chest and triceps. So we're going to do a set of 10 here, set of 10 there. We're going to do 3 rounds, no breaks. So straight to the TRX. So when I come up, I'm giving it a slight squeeze. It's like I'm pausing for a selfie. That contracts that back muscle that much more. Okay guys, second round here. So if you notice when I'm going down, my feet are still off the ground, keeping that tension on the tricep. Remember to keep breathing, guys. You will feel the tension on the elbows, triceps, and you'll feel it in your chest. Like I said, more moderate version. You could be here and still give it that squeeze. Hold it at the top. Still give it that squeeze here. I've just been doing them a while, so I'm going to do a more advanced version, keeping more tension on my back. Like I said, squeeze at the top. Pause for that selfie. Alright guys, third final round. And the main thing with this too is try to get where your body starts to swing, trying to keep your body straight. Slow with your legs up so you don't start swinging back and forth. All right, so I'm going to switch it up here where I have my elbows close. Now I'm going to go wider. All right, guys, so we just completed 3 rounds. You can see maybe 3 minutes of exercise. Already got a good pump through my chest, triceps, back feels good as far as the width. Main thing, guys, too, is keep breathing, hydrate during these exercises. That like button, you hit that subscribe button. That way we can start educating as many people as we can. A lot of people just don't know the correct way to do things. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, turn on that notification bell. That way you know each week when we're putting up new videos. Make sure this is high enough where your feet are, when you're coming down, feet are still elevated. Adjust the TRX as far as with the straps. Like this moves, as far as if I want to get both of them further down. Moderate it for yourself, but push with yourself to make sure you're squeezing and holding that muscle. If you're not feeling anything, adjust the straps. Bring your feet further in, come further down. And as always, remember, don't sit, get fit.